What's going on, YouTube? It's me, it's the ZXP Predator in the building, and we're going out on an awesome ride today. I got Reverend to Riches riders out with me, got Q up in the building. We're gonna do our thing. We do have a new rider with us, Mike, so it's not gonna be a crazy ride. It's just, you know, introducing to some twisties, so on and so forth. Now, an interesting thing, all carboned out today, and I'm gonna be trying to do twisties again on these Hinkik hookups. So yeah, this should be rather interesting, you know. But Zeus is looking real nice. Mike's bike is looking real nice. Q's bike is looking real cool. Reverend to Riches, of course, as always. Oh man, we gotta get that fixed. But the Punisher, now there's one true Punisher, and that's Rob, aka the Booster baby. But it's looking good, looking good. All right, so that's the intro of the video. Stay tuned, we're gonna have some good stuff. We'll see y'all in a bit.
The revolution will be live.
Also, I forgot, this video is brought to you by Absolute Cycle in Broadway, New Jersey. Make sure you check him out for all your biking needs. And Steve gets busy, so you might want to call, make an appointment, and all that good stuff. Shameless plug, folks. So, the man, the myth, the Predator. We'll see you in the next video. Or actually, in this video. What am I talking about? You know, I'm just too excited. Let's rock on. What's going on, YouTube? One thing, when we set up a ride, a lot of times it happens where folks are running late, you know. We put a timeout, kickstands up. If you miss it, you meet us at the next location. So it is what it is, you know. We're gonna get everything off and popping. So we're trying to give time, and it's already an hour and some change. So it's always something, bro. All right, we'll be back. Alright, see y'all, catch you later. Bye, Alex. You got them because of me. Alright. But cycle gear, I got them from cycle gear. Yeah, I got them for, I ordered them online. Yeah, so are we getting gas for you? Alright, so Theo, I'll meet you at the gas station at the corner. Yeah. What's that? I know.
From the beginning, they
Yeah.
that was nice. Even before we got here.
Yeah.
I put my legs back. I'm like, I'm ready.
What's that? Yeah. If he has WhatsApp, just pin the location.
He wants like a cafe looking bike.
Alright folks, we're at the midpoint. Gonna take a break. I gotta charge the camera. We'll be back. Alright folks, ran into some other riders out here. Just taking a break. So we're up here at Watchung. Nice little ride out right now. So I don't know if they'll allow me to fly the drone out here, but I'll see if I can get some video. But so far so good, you know. Gotta charge the camera, waiting on one of Q's buddies, and we'll go from there. Fun stuff, fun stuff. That kind of was like, what? Yeah. Yeah, perfect day, perfect day. Not too hot, not too cold, that Goldilocks.